Yeah, Irma did take down these huge trees, tore off roofs, left the Bay Area flooded, many people without power. But it seems like the most iconic image may be the time the wind pushed all of the water out of Tampa Bay. Now, I met with the photographer who shot video of that. It's gone worldwide. Irma was a monster Category 5 hurricane when it passed through the Bahamas and northern Cuba. It raked over the Keys as a Category 4 hurricane and finally, on September 10th, made landfall near Marco Island with wind gusts up to 115 miles per hour.
Ideally, we'll be able to look over here and then see, by looking over here, the wall of water or the storm surge coming in.
Before that landfall, a really strange sight. Almost all of the water in Tampa Bay was pushed into the Gulf by the strong offshore winds.
You've got to go out probably, what is that, like 300 yards probably until you can actually get to the water. So, it's different.
Drone video of that event has made its way around the world.
It was crazy, so I was like, as a videographer, I had to come out here.
I talked with photographer Dylan Gorman, who captured this phenomenon. At the time, he was worried the winds might be too strong.
I got a bigger drone, so, it could withstand the 50 miles an hour winds that were going through here.
National news outlets reached out to him to use his footage.
Had family in Brazil reach out to me and said that they saw the video.
Gorman was surprised at the number of people just walking on the bay's bed.
It was funny because you could see all the beads from Gasparilla out there.
Irma did leave a path of damage through the state.
The wind still whipping this morning, and we can show you the power, the damage this wind has caused here in downtown.
But this is the unique image many people will remember when they think of Hurricane Irma. Hurricane Irma obviously left people without power for days and weeks. But by the way, today is not only the one-year anniversary of Hurricane Irma's landfall, it's also statistically the most active day or the peak of hurricane season. We are